We're at Supercar Dealer Top 555 today to look at some incredible cars they have in the showroom, as well as taking a closer look at the Mclaren 570s. In McLaren's Sports Series line, you could say this is one of the best value for money supercars on the market, starting at just $145k. We're going to see if it lives up to expectation and how it compares to the McLaren at the opposite end of their range, the P1. The 570s is often nicknamed the baby McLaren, with it being their entry-level model. You might think it's not that quick. Guess again. Its twin-turbo V8 produces 570 horsepower and tops out at 204 miles an hour. Zero to 62 miles an hour is completed in just 3.2 seconds. That's less than half a second slower than the P1.